Are you struggling to get results on the keto diet? You're not alone. Millions try keto but fail to lose fat because they don't know the real tricks that actually work. In this video, we're diving into 5 genius keto hacks that are trending in 2025 and actually boost fat loss. These aren't your average, cut carbs, tips, we're talking real science, real results. Stick around, because hack number 5 might surprise you. One of the simplest yet most powerful keto hacks is adding MCT oil to your morning coffee. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are a type of fat that's rapidly absorbed by the body and converted into ketones, the fuel your body uses on a ketogenic diet. When you start your day with MCT oil, you kickstart ketone production early. This not only helps you stay in ketosis but also suppresses appetite for hours. You'll find yourself skipping breakfast effortlessly, which helps with intermittent fasting, another fat-burning combo. Start with 1 teaspoon to avoid digestive upset, then increase to 1 tablespoon over a week. Mix it into your coffee using a blender or milk frother for a creamy, satisfying texture, also known as keto coffee or bulletproof coffee. The best part? MCT oil helps your brain stay sharp and focused. So you're not just burning fat, you're boosting energy and mental clarity, too. For best results, use pure C8 MCT oil, it's the most effective for ketone production. Keto flu is real, and it's often the reason people give up. That's where this hack comes in. Drink homemade bone broth or electrolyte-rich keto drinks daily. When you cut carbs, your body flushes out water, and along with it, important minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This leads to headaches, fatigue, and cramps. But with a warm cup of bone broth, rich in sodium and collagen, you can fight off those symptoms and stay on track. Try sipping on 1 to 2 cups a day, especially during the first week of keto. You can make it at home using beef or chicken bones simmered for hours, or buy high-quality versions with no added sugars. Sprinkle in a bit of Himalayan salt and lemon juice for flavor and an extra mineral kick. If bone broth isn't your thing, keto-friendly electrolyte powders or tablets are great alternatives. Just check labels to avoid hidden carbs or sugars. Staying hydrated and mineral balanced is essential to keeping your body burning fat efficiently, and avoiding that crash most people associate with keto. Here's a more advanced trick: carb cycling. Once a week, eat slightly more carbs, around 50 to 75 grams, from clean sources like sweet potatoes or berries. This refeeds your glycogen stores and boosts leptin, the hormone that regulates fat loss. Contrary to what most keto purists say, carb cycling doesn't kick you out of ketosis for long, and can actually enhance fat burning. Your metabolism gets a little shakeup, and your workouts may feel stronger thanks to the brief carb load. But timing is everything. Use this hack on your most active day of the week, preferably after a workout. It gives your muscles what they need to recover and tells your body it's safe to continue burning fat. This method also helps with long-term sustainability. Mentally, it feels great to enjoy a bit more variety in your diet without guilt. Just don't overdo it or use it as a cheat day. Pro tip: track your blood ketones the next morning. Most people bounce back into ketosis within 12 to 18 hours, especially if they fast afterward or do light cardio. Consistency is key with keto, and nothing helps more than prepping your meals and snacks ahead. That's where fat bombs come in. These high-fat, low-carb snacks are easy to make, delicious, and perfect for when cravings hit. You can make sweet versions using coconut oil, cocoa powder, almond butter, and stevia. Or go savory with cheese, bacon bits, and herbs. Store them in the fridge or freezer and grab one whenever you're hungry or tempted to snack on carbs. Fat bombs help you stay full, meet your macros, and avoid reaching for junk food. Plus, they're portable, great for work, travel, or on-the-go living. Another bonus? They train your body to run on fat. By giving it what it needs, healthy fats, you reinforce ketone production and fat-burning mode. Set aside 1 hour a week to meal prep a batch of fat bombs, boiled eggs, keto salads, and meat-based dishes. When you're busy, you'll thank yourself for having ready-to-eat keto options. It's like setting a fat loss trap for your future self, and it works. Want one of the simplest fat-burning habits ever? Just take a 10 to 15-minute walk after every meal. Post-meal walking lowers blood glucose spikes, increases insulin sensitivity, and aids digestion, all critical for weight loss and preventing fat storage. On keto, this tip becomes even more powerful because you're already controlling insulin with low-carb meals. Science backs this up. Studies show that walking after meals reduces fat accumulation around the liver and belly, two of the most stubborn fat zones. You don't need fancy workouts or a gym membership. Just lace up your shoes and walk around the block, even if it's indoors or at your office. The goal is movement, not intensity. Doing this 3 times a day, after breakfast, lunch, and dinner, gives you almost 45 minutes of fat-burning activity, without feeling like formal exercise. Want to make it more fun? Listen to a podcast, walk with a friend, or even walk in place while watching TV. Small actions lead to massive changes, and this habit alone can speed up your fat loss journey dramatically. These keto hacks aren't just tips, they're scientifically backed strategies that make a real difference. From MCT coffee to walking after meals, each one is easy to implement and super effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly fat loss and keto tips. Your support means everything. Drop a comment below with which hack you're going to try first, or share your own secret tip. We read every comment. And if you want more content like this, check out our playlist on keto meals and intermittent fasting strategies. It's packed with actionable tips to level up your health journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay consistent, and keep burning that fat.